What is MIDA, M-I-D-A? This is something new I saw in the news cycle too. That stands for Military Infrastructure Development Authority. All right, and what that is, it's basically like a national security authority that allows normal procedures and oversight to kind of be skirted a little bit. And where we're seeing this is up in Utah in Box Elder County with Kevin O'Leary's Stratos data center, okay? So it turns out he used MIDA, that Military Infrastructure Development Authority, to get the Stratos project approved and underway now. And that's why you're seeing that continue up there, where down here in Boulder City, the city leaders heard the people, they heard their cries, they heard that they were upset about all this, and they put a no vote to the approval for right now. But that's not happening up in Utah. Why is that? Well, because Kevin O'Leary used this MIDA Development Authority. Look at what's going on with the Great Salt Lake. Look at the water situation around the area. We don't have the resources really to support this. And not only that, it's supposed to use like 2 or 3 times the amount of energy as all of Utah uses right now just for that one data center. So they would have representatives and other water controllers and energy representatives come and do their own independent audits. That's part of the reason we're finding out that he was able to get this data center fast-tracked, and it's still being, it's been approved and now being built up there, okay? So it does allow data center developers to fast-track development, like I said, with very little external controls, okay? And like I said, that's being used in the Box Elder County at the Stratos data center, right? So how does this affect us down here? Well, what we're finding out now is that once other corporations that are involved in these data center operations, once they see how Kevin O'Leary used this playbook through MIDA, it's very likely that other data center developers are going to also try and use this MIDA process now, okay? So this is something that you should watch out for if you don't like the data center developments going on around the country, especially here in the desert Southwest, because now that it's been successful up in Utah, these other data center developers are going to look to replicate that in places like Nevada down here, places like Arizona. The other places where there aren't much water and not enough power to support this stuff, they're now going to look into using that MIDA to skirt a lot of these external controls and get those data centers built. Something interesting to watch out for. I just found out about this MIDA thing because we were all wondering like how this project got fast-tracked despite all the outcries of the local populace saying they don't want it there, even though there's plenty of land. They don't want it there. They like their rural lifestyle. They don't want to draw all this power and water demand to further strain their resources, right? And it's despite all that and people going to the city halls and having huge crowds, it somehow got fast-tracked and is being built right now. So that's how it happened, through this MIDA, Military Infrastructure Development Act. So remember that acronym. You might be seeing more of that in the future, especially with these data center developments.
So if you enjoyed this clip, check out the full live stream in our Adventure Club section and let us know down in the comments which stories we should cover next.